Hey everybody, thank you all for coming out tonight. Hope you're having a good time. It's really great to be back here doing this thing with all of you. All the work that all the students and staff have put into this has been really inspiring today, so thank you again. We got a couple more for you before we get out of here. Just wanted to give you a personal thank you from the band. We're really happy to be here for you. This is Pastime Paradise.
Too many rappers ain't doing it like this, so let me introduce myself properly. I am Drake's young black man with the pretty nice teeth and the pretty brown eyes. Who I feel so clean, flow so mean. No I'm reside where the tigers be. Wanna this for a while, now the eyes on me. For the rhymes in my mind, watch and see. Keep your eyes on me, eyes on me.